So the biggest hair care mistake that we all need to avoid in monsoon is taking stress about the hair loss itself. Let me explain. See, many of us tend to stress about the hair loss that occurs in the monsoon season, which should not be the case because this type of hair loss is only temporary. You see, I know many of you lovely people are losing more hair than you usually do. And I know that because I am also in a similar situation. I'm also losing a lot more hair than I usually do. But you know what I think? I think we should calm down a little and let this difficult phase pass instead of opting for unnecessary treatments, especially those that include the use of chemicals directly on the hair. But if we really want to do something about this hair loss, then this is what we should do. We should eat healthily, we should consume stuff that directly benefits our hair. We should try to keep our hair as clean as possible while introducing some changes to our hair care routine, such as increasing the frequency of our hair wash days, because our hair goes through a lot more in the monsoon season than it does in any other season. For starters, we sweat a lot and then all of that sweat remains on the head for longer durations, of course thanks to the humidity. And we often get wet under the rain as well, so it would be really nice if we could wash our hair a little more often to get rid of all the dirt that is constantly getting accumulated over the head. So I've changed the frequency of my hair wash days from every 4th or 5th day to every 3rd day for this season. And if you're afraid of damaging your hair due to excessive washing, then you should go with a sulfate-free shampoo as they damage the hair a lot less than a regular one. And as always, my favorite sulfate-free shampoo is the Man Matters DHT blocking shampoo. And apart from that, one more thing that I've started doing recently is not applying any oil to the scalp. But if you want to give me a like for this video, the subscribe button is also around there for you to click on. And while you're at it, also don't forget to join the Discord server because you are most welcome to do so, my brother. So you guys know I love applying oil to the scalp as well as my hair length right after a wash as soon as my hair gets completely dry. But for this season, I've decided not to, because as I said, there's already too much sweat and oil accumulation over there, and I really don't want to mess things even more by applying oil externally. And I believe even though I'm not applying any oil to the scalp from the outside, it is still not getting completely dried out because I am still using a sulfate-free shampoo to wash my hair. And other than this, there are some more ways we can reduce our monsoon hair loss, which you can learn by clicking on the top right corner. But if this video proves to be useful to you in any way, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around. Alpha.